A very good morning to all my dear children. Today is Thursday and we will study English. In today's class, children, we will read story number 10 from Fitzroy Reader book, John and His Fox, from pages 145 to 150. After that, children, we will learn a new sound from Phonics Pupil book and we will do an activity which is on page number 45 in Phonics Pupil book 1. Today I will teach you to write cursive P and then we will practice our rhyme Wheels on the Bus. So children, let's start our today's class. Children, now bring your Fitzroy Reader's book and open page number 145. Fitzroy Reader's story number 10. John, John, and his, his, ox a fox. John and his fox. Now turn the page. Come to page number 146. Story 10. Words we know. F-O-R for M-Y my W-A-S was milk, ilka milk, wa-e-nta went, fa-ella fell. S-una soon, H-A-V-E have, W-I-T-H with. P-L-A-Y play, N-A-M-E name, L-I-K-E like, F-R-O-M from, S-A-I-D said, G-O go, W-I-L-L will, Ba-eh-la bell, Pa-on-da pond. In this way, children, you have to read page number 146. Now, children, look here. We come to page number 147. Now, story 10. Old sound. We are repeating the sound as in pa-eh-ta pet. Now children, the special words in which you will not use sounds. It is J-O-H-N John, H-E he, V-E-R-Y very. Children, now turn the page again and come to page number 148. Now look at this picture. In this picture, there is a man and he has a fox. It's a beautiful day. Let's read. A ma and a man, ha ada had a ta tent. A man had a tent. A man had a tent. H-I-S his, N-A-M-E name, W-A-S was, J-O-H-N John. His name was John. The name of this man is John. So, he had a tent also. J-O-H-N John, her adder had a pa-et-a pet for ox a fox. John had a pet fox. John had a pet fox. This fox is his pet. T-H-E the, for ox a fox, her adder had a da and a den. The fox had a den. Children, this fox had a den. This is a den in which she lives. Children, now we are on page number 149. Look at this picture. John is along with his fox. And now let's read it. J-O-H-N John, her adder had a V-E-R-Y very, ba-iga big, ka-up a cup, O-F of, ilka milk. John had a very big cup of milk. This is John and he had a very big, see this cup is big, it is not a small cup and inside the cup there is milk. So John had a very big cup of milk. T-H-E the, for ox a fox, una soon, ga-ot a got, T-H-E the, ka-up a cup, of ilka milk. The fox soon got the cup of milk. This cup belongs to John, but soon the fox got the cup of milk. This fox is pet fox, pet of John. So John gave him the big cup of milk. Now turn the page, children. Page number 150. T-H-E the, for ox a fox, her adder had, T-H-E the, ilk milk, a and d and, went, went, to, his, his, den, den, to, play, play. The fox had the milk and went to his den to play. Children, now see, the fox had the milk. Fox got the milk, the cup of milk, and then he went to his den. Now see, he went to his den to play. Fox lives in this den, so he took the milk and he went to his den to play. Children, in this way, today we will read till page number 150 only. You have to read this lesson the way I taught you. Children, now bring your phonics pupil book 1. Now open page number 40. Today we will learn sound of A and R together. See, these two sounds are. What action you have to do? Open your mouth wide. आपको अपना जो mouth है पूरा wide, पूरा खोलना है. Open it and then you have to say ah. See, in this way the dentist, see, this is a doctor of your teeth. He is checking this girl's mouth and he is asking her to open it and she is saying ah. Okay, children. Now in the first line we have to write. We have to trace and write these two letters together and then we have to say the sound R, like this. So say the sound and write it. R, like this. And here you have to write on your own like this. Children, now we will revise these sounds. This is ow. Ow. So you have to write it like this. O, U together. Ow. This is oi. O-I, oi. This is you. This is r. In this way you have to finish the second line. Now let's read the words which have R sound. Jar, jar. Dark, dark. Shark, shark. Scarf. In this way you have to read jar, jar. Dark, dark. Shark, shark. Scarf. In this way you have to read these words, children. Now 3 of these pictures have an R sound in them. Cross out the one that does not. This is a star. This is a goat. This is a car. This is a arm. So these 3 have R sound. Goat does not have R sound in it. So you have to cross it out. Now children, come to page number 45. Children, now open page number 45. This is an activity, children. You have to read the words and join each word to the right picture. And then you have to color the pictures also. You will enjoy this activity. See, one example is there. Cat. So this is the word cat. And you have to join it with this. Now let's read it. Hat. Find out where is the hat. So hat is here. So join it like this. Dog. Where is dog? Dog is here with his bone. So join it. This is net. Where is net, children? Net is here. Log. Log is here. You have to color the pictures also. And a fan. Join the word fan with the picture. Now bus, a bus. Where is bus? Bus is here. This is bed. Ba-e-da, bed. Ba-e-da, bed. So you have to join it with this. Children, you have to color the pictures also. I hope you will enjoy this activity. Now read the tricky words and then try to find them in the word search. Children, this is the word search and you have to read the tricky words, means the sight words. This is TO2. Let's read them. DO-do, BEB, WEV, WAS was, ALL all, ME me, ARER, HE THE the, and SHE she. Now let's find them. The first one, TO2. See children, this is TO2. Next one is DO-do. DO-do. Like this. Next one is WEV. Where is V? W is here and E is also here. I can find WAS was also in the same way. ALL all. Like this. Then children, BEB. BEB is here. Now ME me. Where did you find ME me? Let's check it out. ME me. This is ARER. ARER. HE he. HE he. THE the. THE the. So you have to join it like this. THE the. Now the last one, SHE she. SHE she. In this way children, you have to find the tricky words in the from the word search. And this activity you have to do it like this. So finish it up. I think you will enjoy it definitely. So finish it up, take its picture and send it to me. Children, today I will teach you to write cursive P. Look here children, this is cursive P. P for pencil, P for pen, P for parrot. And the sound of P is P. This is capital P and this is cursive P. Now look here children, this is today's date. Today is 4th March 2021. Now let's write cursive P. Put your pencil on the second blue line children. Take support of this red line. From here you have to go up. You have to touch the red line. You have to make a little curve and then you have to go up like this. Touch this red line and on the same line you have to come back and you have to go down. You have to touch the red line which is there in the bottom. Then again on the same line you have to go up till the first blue line. You have to make a semicircle like this and then from here you have to take out a little loop like this. In this way you have to write cursive P. Let's write one more time. Put your pencil on the second blue line. Take support of this red line from here. Make a little curve and then go up. Touch the first red line. Then on the same line come down till the last, till this line, till the bottom line, bottom red line. Touch it, go back again and come to first blue line. Then make a semicircle like this and then touch the standing line and then come out like this. You have to make a little loop like this. Again, see, in this way, go up, then down, then again come up, make a semicircle and leave it like this. In this way, children, you have to write. Now see, don't write like this. This is wrong. Don't make two lines. Understand children? you have to make it like this. Then on the same line come back, and in this way you have to write cursive P. Now I will show you how you will write in the notebook. Children, now I will teach you to write cursive P in the notebook. First write today's date. Today is 4th March 2021, like this. Now children, put your pencil on the second blue line. Take support of this red line, make a little curve and go up like this, and then come down on the same line. Touch the red line, go back again till the first blue line. Make a semicircle between two lines and then make a little loop like this. In this way you have to write cursive P, children, like this. Alright, make a little curve and then go up. Touch this red line and then come down. And then in this way you have to write cursive P like this. Touch the upper red line and this down red line. Then go back again till the first blue line. Make a semicircle. Touch the second line, second blue line, and then make a little curve, little loop like this. Children, P for parrot, P for peacock, P for pen, and P for pencil. I am writing with a pencil. And the sound of P is P. See, in this way you have to write cursive P. Alright children, now see, in this way you have to write cursive P. From here you have to go up, touch the red line, then come down, touch this bottom red line. Go up again, between two blue lines you have to make a semicircle, and then you have to take out a loop also. In this way you have to write cursive P, children. Write it, take its picture and send it to me. Now bring your My First Stride in English workbook. Children, now open page number 70. Do paper tearing in pumpkin. What you have to do, children, you have to take an orange color paper and then you have to tear it and you have to paste it here. In this way you have to do the paper tearing activity in this pumpkin. Now you have to join the dots. Today you will learn to write cursive P. Children, this is an entirely different formation. So just see how I'm writing. You have to trace it like this. And you can make it like this, children. In this way you can write P. From here you have to write like this. Go up, touch the pink line, then go down, come back again, and you have to make a semicircle between both lines and you have to make a loop like this. In this way you have to write, and during the trace and write also you have to follow the same pattern. Like this. In this way you have to do it till here, and from here you have to write like this. Again, in these two lines you have to trace and write, then on the dots you have to write on your own, and you have to write like this. You have to finish this page, children, today. This page you can do it afterward in the same manner, the way I taught you. You have to write P like this. And this way you have to finish this page, children. So finish it up, take its picture and send it to me. Children, now let's recite the rhyme, The Wheels of the Bus. Remember? Yes, let's do it. The wheels of the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels of the bus go round and round all through the day. The children in the bus go jumping around, jumping around, jumping around. The children in the bus go jumping around all through the day. The bell in the bus goes trin, 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 trin. The bell in the bus goes trin, trin, trin all through the day. The horn in the bus goes pom, 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 pom. The horn in the bus goes pom, pom, pom all through the day. The seat in the bus goes bum, 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 bum. The seat in the bus goes bum, bum, bum all through the day. The driver in the bus goes shoo, 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 shoo. The driver in the bus goes shoo, shoo, shoo all through the day. Children, in this way, you have to recite this rhyme, the wheels of the bus. You have to learn it with action, make your video on it and send it to me. Bye-bye.